What is up, guys? Totally Tech here, and you will not believe what I just did. I put that little 12 volt that I had, I don't know if you guys knew about it, but I put it in this. This thing shoots very, very fast. Here's how I put it in there. I just taped it in the battery pack and put some wires running through there to hold it. It's not very sturdy right now, but it shoots very fast. I'm gonna do a little firing test. Let me go in here and first let me turn my bedroom light off. This thing shoots so fast and so hard. I mean, I swear I can unload an entire 18 dart mag up in the air before any of the darts touch the ground. It shoots so fast. I'm gonna sit here on the couch. I'm gonna put it on the other camera, and I'm gonna shoot it and show you guys. I'm totally gonna do a 100 dart challenge with this, cause oh my gosh, it's really working. All right, so there's the chair. Here's the gun. Well, let me unhook my little attachment here. I have it attached to me, cause if I ever go into a Nerf war, I'm totally bringing this gun. Okay. Well, okay then, that's all the darts. So, there you go, guys. Also, guys, check out how fast it removes. Look at this when I shoot it. There we go. Shoots really, really fast, guys. So let me explain to you how the reason. I mean, I don't know if I showed you guys last night, but the battery that's on this, it's the battery it's a 12 volt battery. It's a 12 volt lithium ion battery out of a RC car, a monster truck, and it's very good. You can charge it, take it off, charge it. The way I've got this set up, I can easily take it off, but I'll have to put it back on with tape, so that's the sucky part. But it works good, guys, and it shoots really fast. And what I did was last night, after I had fixed my other strife, I took a look at my other one, and the battery pack was fried on it, so I did a little modding to it. Here's my original one, the one that works good. So there's that one. And here's the one that I hooked the RC battery to. As you guys can see, the battery pack doesn't work. See, I put a wire coming out of those holes. There's one. This is positive. This is negative. And that's the way I did it. I did that so this gun could, work. Because I mean, it wouldn't work if I didn't have any batteries to hook to it. So that's the way I have to hook batteries. And oh wait, I could try something. I can hook the batteries from that goes to this gun right here to this little battery pack. I can hook it to some C batteries. I don't know if it's going to be very loud. Probably not. Actually, I don't know if I can even hook it up to it. Let me set my phone down real quick. So I'm going to try to hook this battery pack with some C batteries in it up to this gun, which I got to see which is positive. So that's negative. Positive and negative. So this is how it would hurt. I burnt my finger last night trying to work on this strife. Not very loud at all. Actually, better than I thought it was going to be, but not very loud. It'd be really cool if I could mod my Stampede, but I can't, so. But this thing right here is something else. It's a really cool gun. And yeah, this is also one of the guns I got the other day. It's the RAPIDSTRIKE. It came with the clear magazine. And I got this little bow. Oh yeah, I already showed y'all that. But my strifes and my demolisher, they match so good. Because I got the all orange demolisher, the only one you can get. 2 of the orange strifes. And then the blue Rapid Strike. And yeah, I redid my room a little bit. Here's all my Nerf guns now. And I also redid my drawer where I put my Nerf gun stuff. Right now it looks okay, but not really. Let me get my mags fixed here. And here's my drawer now. So you guys are probably like, where'd you get this all orange drum at? You can only get that with that new Hyperfire. I think it's called the Hyperfire. Oh, where'd you get that? Oh, well, I got it from my brother, which is really still my brother's. And Mike really wanted it, but I didn't want Mike to take it because it was still my brother's. Which I'm probably going to trade something to my brother for it. But, yeah, guys. Let me just do one more little firing on it, and then I'm going to reload it. I'm going to fire a couple more times, and actually, I might do a range test on it. Let me reload this, and I'll take it outside and do a little range test. So it's got it loaded up, and let's head outside. The gun, ready to fire. So, here's a little, okay, you guys know usually how I do it. Here's my truck, and there's the driveway. So I'm standing at my truck. Yeah, it's cold outside and I'm wearing chacos, and I'm gonna shoot my gun from here to the driveway. So there's the driveway. Flat shot, and of course it shot two because I mean I can't, really hard to shoot one. That was a flat shot. This is a little bit of an angled shot right here. Shot two again, and an angled shot all the way. So let's walk over there. Let's walk over there and see how those went. Yeah, it's like really kind of cold out here right now, not too cold. And yeah, I'm wearing chacos. So here's the first dart. This was at a flat shot from that far from my truck. And then this dart. And this dart. Which this dart wasn't a little bit of an angled dart. That far from my truck. And then we got this dart. This is part of the angled one. It's this close to the concrete. And then we got, lastly, the two angled ones. Which, the two angled ones, here's the first angled one. That far from my truck, that far from the, past the wall on concrete. And then we have this angled one, which is that far from my truck. Well, this far from my truck, and that far from the concrete. So, it shoots pretty far. Yeah. Shoots actually really, really far. Oh wait, there's a Nerf zombie strike dart out here. I didn't even know that. Just found it. I find darts in my yard all the time. Let me take my gun over here. I'm gonna load it up, and then we will see you guys next time here at Totally Tech. Bye.